Hi, if you want to block phone number on the iPhone 16, let me show you a few tips. And as a first step, you can open settings, here go in the apps tab, and after that, find the phone application. Now, you just need to scroll to see the blocked contacts, and here you can add new blocked contacts. Just choose a contact and it will be added to the blocked contacts list. If you want to remove it from here, you just need to select this edit button and here choose the unblock option. Now, as for additional way, you can go in your phone app, here go in the contact section, select a contact as before, and here you would see this option to block this caller. Now tap it to confirm, and now the contact is blocked. So, how to block unknown numbers? For that, go in your recents, find the unknown number, tap on the info icon, and here select to block this contact. And also, you can silence unknown numbers. For that, return in the settings, in the apps, then select phone as before, and here go in this section silence unknown callers and enable it by tapping on the switcher. So, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.